Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video we are working on this Nespresso Citiz machine, which I think has a stock pump inside. uh, that's because no water is going through the machine, no coffee is coming through this part. So just to show you what it does or what it doesn't do, let's connect the machine. We have here some water with some descaling solution. Power on the machine. As you can see, the lights are blinking. Let's wait for the lights to stop blinking, meaning the machine is fully hot and ready to brew. Okay, no more blinking. And no water. And also the level on in the water tank is not going anywhere, so it's clear that the pump is not making vacuum. Okay, let's not lose any more time and let's try to disassemble this machine. First of all, let's connect all the accessories. Okay, all of these, let's put it aside. So I noticed some water came out during the night. I left the water tank full here, and I noticed some water coming out. So this means also that this o-ring here is not making a good seal. Let's see also that what's the big problem. So we have here some screws. Unfortunately, we have those type of screws, the oval shape ones, which I extremely hate. So for this I have this tool. Right. One is out. I will go quickly through this part because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws in the end. and this part now comes up, and we can remove the two side panels. Okay. We need a pry tool for this, which is here, and we will start on each side gently, like this, and on the other side. Like this, and also on front. Do the same on the other side. And now the panels are out. First one, and then the second one, like this. Always first time removing the panels will be difficult. Afterwards there will be no problem. Okay, we can clean all the dust, but this is a side mission. Good. And as you can see, we have here access to the pump. So we need to remove the connections here, one here and one here, and also the water intake. And by doing this, we can fully remove the base. Be sure you disconnect the unit from the main, otherwise you will get shocked. and this is the base. We will remove that afterwards also, or change the o-ring here. To do this, it's really simple. Just remove these tabs here gently. It's 1, 2, and 3. If 2 of them are removed, then you can get this out and change this o-ring, but we will do this afterwards. Okay. Let's access the pump. To access the pump, we have to remove this upper part here, this plastic part here, and this is basically held with four clips, 2 here and 2 on the other side. So again, a flathead screwdriver. Where is it? Always losing it. So okay, let's put this plastic here to keep it disconnected. Then let's push on the others also, and now it's coming up like this. Of course, you have to remove the buttons. Either you can disconnect the connector or fully remove the plate. Just like this. Gently push on it and take this, and the part is out. And now we have access to the internals and also to the pump. So in order to remove the pump, we have a clip here, this type of pliers. Remove the retainer clip and remove the output of the pump. Then remove the input of the pump. This is easy, just pry it out. As we can see here, there's a lot of gunk and stuff inside. No water came through this, so it's clear that the pump, it's not taking water from the water tank. Let's see first if this part here it's working. So this flow meter, it's working. We blow some air into the intake, so it's clear that this is not clogged. The only problem is inside the pump. So we remove the pump like this. So all the connections should be here, inside of here. First is white, and then black. Like this. Come on. And here should be the water sensor, temperature sensor. Let's put this aside and work on the pump itself. Good, so the pump looks really nice. Let's see what's going on inside. In case we cannot do anything with the pump, or it's not working actually, then we will change to a new one. But for the time being, let's try and fix it, this one. So we need two Torx bit. I think these are the ones. These are the ones. One here and one over here. This part is coming out, should come out, of course, if we remove this part. So basically here is only a electromagnet which oscillates when a voltage is applied. So already we can see a lot of stuff inside of this here. So with a little twist we can remove this part. We have a lot of rust here. Look at this. How it can work like this. A lot of rust is inside of this unit. Okay, let's try and clean everything. We'll use some isopropyl alcohol. So with this is what happens if you are not using your unit for some time. Water can affect it. So I will use some WD-40, but then I will clean this and use some yeah, consumer grade lubricant. But for the rust, to dislodge the rust, WD-40 is it's way better. So I have it here, some consumer grade lubricant. We will use that. Right, let's put everything aside, clean everything here. Alcohol. Okay, so let me put everything back together, lubricate everything, and see if it's working. So yeah, we are back. We've connected everything just for us to test it. I didn't test it yet, so I'm also curious as you are. So let's try it. So already we see water is taken out of the unit. Yes. We have some descaling solution into the water. Perfect. No spillage inside the unit. This means that the O-rings are fine. Looks like we have a perfectly working machine now. Look how dirty the water was. Okay, so the descaling process is finished. Now I have to clean it a little bit, change the o-ring, and yeah, that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, stay along to see how I put this unit together, because I know that you like seeing this stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Bye.